Stay home, shop safe. We got the selfie stick tripod and we got it on a deal, and that was a steal. So good job, Realme. Good job. And now let's unbox this Realme selfie stick tripod. And it's made by Realme, obviously. So yeah, let's unbox it. AK7DOLL TV, and welcome back to my channel. Yo, how you guys doing? You doing good? That's good. You good? That makes me feel good. So yeah, how you guys doing? You guys are probably doing good. So yeah, we're unboxing another thing for a gadget. Obviously, like, I'm a gadget lover. What would you expect? So yeah, we're gonna unbox stuff for the gadget. You know, like something for the gadget, not like a phone or a tablet or anything. It's like for taking selfies or calls, you know, anything, honestly. So yeah, even also for FaceTime. That's a hint. You could just discover the whole title by the title on the video right now I'm making. So yeah, also if you're new to my channel, hello, I'm AK7DOLL TV and welcome to my channel. And also, if you want more videos like this, or if you're interested in these type of stuff, or if you're a gadget lover like me, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and subscribe, so that, and also make sure to join my channel to encourage me to make more videos like these. I promise I'll make more than gadget videos, okay? I'll make more different videos also, okay? So yeah, now let's unbox this stuff for the gadget, or product you could say. Alright, we have this thing for the gadget, or I should say phone. So yeah, let's open it. Wait, I need scissors for it. Magically appear in my hand. Ah yes, the lords of the scissors. Now let's unbox this Realme selfie stick tripod. And it's made by Realme, obviously. So yeah, let's unbox it.
You wanna rest? I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero, some fairy tale bliss, just something I can turn to, somebody I can kiss. I want something just like this. I want something just like this. I want something just like this. something I can turn to, somebody I can kiss. I want something just like this. I want something just like this.
And yeah, now let's talk about how good the quality is. Now let's move on to the highlights of this product. Stable upright tripod. It is value for money. Bling bling. 60 centimeters adjustable length. It comes with a detachable Bluetooth remote. Operates on Bluetooth 5.1. It comes with a detachable Bluetooth remote. It's from this space. You just have to plug this like clear thingamabob. And this is how you put it back in. And yeah, that's basically all about this tiny remote. And now let's move on to the next highlights of this product. 10 meters long distance. Effective range. It is made up of aluminium alloy material. It comes with 360-degree rotation holder. Here's how you do it. Like, be careful, you might get your finger stuck over here if you don't do it properly though. Now let's move on to the next highlights of this product. It is quite sturdy as you see. So good job, Realme. Good job. Great build quality. Again, good job, Realme. Good job. It feels pretty premium on hand. Perfect for smartphones. It is budget friendly. It not pinch your pocket, you know. It won't do that. It's budget friendly, okay? But this is amazing for camping lovers, YouTube lovers, selfie lovers. Like, selfie lovers, where are you? You're watching this video. I know you're right here. I see you there. Making videos for YouTube, you know, all that stuff, and it keeps going on and on. Perfect for YouTubers, vloggers, Zoom meetings, online classes, travelers. I see you right there. I see you gonna post this video. I see you gonna buy this and gonna like, hey guys, we're gonna go to Canada. I see you doing that. I see you. So yeah, etc. If you buy this product, you'll definitely not regret it. This one is my pet. This product is probably gonna be useful for me in the future. So yeah, I'll probably make a channel for vlogging and all when the lockdown is over. And like I'll be like, hey guys, we're gonna go to Goa or Canada, like something like that. Just randomly came up to my head. So yeah. This baby remote, or I should say small remote, easy and pretty like cute at the same time. Pretty easy to like, you know, take selfies. Like for example, if you're like, I wish I had a tripod, and then you see this random video over here and you're like, I want to buy this product. It's probably link in the description. Like obviously all the products are in the link in the description. So yeah, I'll probably buy the product and I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna take a selfie and test how good it is. You put your phone over here and you take this baby remote and like take a selfie. So let's move on to the next highlights of this product. Alright, the next highlight of this product is gonna be, I realized there's no more highlights in this product. We're already at the end of the video. So yeah guys, this was a really fun video to make. I did take a break at time because like I can't just make the full video immediately. Like it takes 2-3 hours to make the video. So yeah, it was pretty fun and very funny to make this video. Hopefully you find this product useful in the videos. If you're a traveler, you're very lucky to see this video. If you're a vlogger, you're very lucky to see this video. And any of those who love like these like selfie stick tripod things, you're very lucky to see this video. So yeah, if you want to get this, it's linked in the description obviously. So hope you guys enjoy this video and hope you have an amazing day. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like the video and share my video so that you don't miss any more videos like these. Also, make sure to join my channel for free shoutouts. Hope you enjoy your day. Bye! Mwah. Stay safe, stay cool.